After my dream, I got up and I went and sat in front of that typewriter. I felt like I was in a writing frenzy. It seemed like I typed over 1,000 words per minute, and all the papers just flew off the typewriter as if they were birds flying and fell directly on the ground. Afterwards, I got on the floor with my cramped hands and tried to pick up the pieces of the manuscript. But soon John came home, and he was livid of my condition, me sitting there on the floor with cramped hands. But yet I told him how I needed to desperately get this manuscript to Daylight Publishing. So we gathered all of the papers off the floor, and the next day we drove to Atlanta to Daylight Publishing. And later on that evening, we had a meeting with Val Andrews, my agent from Daylight Publishings, the first time that I actually met her in person.
Hello.
Hello, it's so good to finally see you and be here. I can't believe this. Yes, Ambrosia.
Please take a seat. My, it's so good to finally meet you.
It's so good to finally put a face with the name.
I'm Val Andrews. Mrs. Waters, might I say, you look absolutely stunning.
Thank you, I appreciate that.
You look as if you stepped right out of the 1950s.
That's what it seemed like lately.
Mrs. Waters, we absolutely loved your book.
Oh, I'm so glad.
I meant Crime Noir Masterpiece.
Oh, wow.
I've been here at Daylight Publishing for over 20 years.
Wow. That's
And
a
I
long
must
time.
have read about 1,000,000 books. But your book, Stellar Prize, it blew me away.
Oh, that's such a great compliment. Thank you.
It was suspenseful,
Wow.
thrilling, and captivating. I mean, I felt like I was in the 1950s on the streets of Harlem. You know, it always fascinated me how you, the writer, can make me, the reader, feel as if I'm on a journey, on another place, at another time. Just like that. Speaking of your book,
What is this?
ta-da! CBS wants to turn your book, Stellar Prize, into a new crime show.
Oh, my goodness. Stellar Prize?
Yes, and all they need is a 3-book deal.
3 books. I only have 1 book written, though.
Well, all you need is to write 2 more books and for the pilot. And you'll have 2 weeks' time.
2 weeks?
Yes, and if you sign today, you'll receive $150,000 per series and 10% of the revenue, even if they don't pick up the pilot.
Oh, so let me get this straight. I'll complete the other 2 books. Then I get $150,000 plus 10% of the revenue, even if they don't pick up the pilot.
Yes,
Well,
ma'am.
let me sign right now, honey. I'm ready for this.
How about it?
Oh, wow.
Oh, fantastic. It's so exciting.
I am so excited. Thank you for this opportunity. This is unbelievable.
Well, Daylight Publishing really believes in you.
Thank you. But this is my dream. I've been wanting to do this forever.
Well, we make dreams come true.
Okay.
This is a great opportunity for not just you, but for us as well, for all of us.
Well, thank you so much, Miss Andrews. I'm just so appreciative. Thank you for choosing my book. Thank you so much.
Have a great day.
And I'll get started on this right away.
Thank you.
Good night.
When I got back from Daylight Publishing, the first thing I did was sit down in front of that typewriter and try to type. But again, nothing emerged. And later on that night, I had another nightmarish dream.